Hello guys, hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl She Grace here, and this is another video guys. This is another video of cooking in the village. I'm showing you my lifestyle in the village. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly don't forget to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and don't forget to like, comment and share. Enjoy the video guys. Watch how I cook. I'm preparing, as you can see here, I'm preparing some small fish, and I want to show you how we prepare small fish in the village. I'm making lunch. Okay. I'm making small fish. These are small fish. We call them omena in our language. And this is how you make them. You wash them of boiled water. You wash them in warm water. Then you rinse. You rinse them twice. I've already added the onions, garlic and tomatoes. Now I want to add some tomato paste here. I'm also making okra. I want to add okra in here so that it can create some soup. I've added okra. Now I want to add some pepper for flavor. Okra soup is now ready. It's now ready for eating. Finally, here's the stew. Here's the okra stew. I'm having it with ugali. This is the ugali that I'm having with. Yes, enjoy the video, guys, as I enjoy my lunch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Goodbye. See you on my next video.